everybody, today is January the 28th. It is a Sunday. It is the last Sunday of the month, which means it's car meet time. We are currently on the way to our car meet, and I'll see you guys when we get there, but I'm gonna give you guys some footage of the drive, and now that that video is already up about our tune, we can get into it a little bit today. So without further ado, let's head on. We are spraying some detailing spray on the wheels to make them look wet and shiny and nice all day before we roll up. It's literally right over there. Weird, but we have a bag of detailing supplies that we just carry with us for occasions like this and such. Let's go now. We just finished some really yummy brunch, would you call it? I think you would call it brunch, but it was really good. And we got coffee. So we're ready for the car show. Give it a little baby revs. You're too short.
Now go out there and get the turbo noise. Yeah, on the same line.
Taking the spare out?
Yeah, I've completely lightened the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we yanked our spare out. I was like, man, I gotta get that 40 pounds out of my car. It's bad. Like I went out and did a run at the track, and I was like, man, I gotta take like 1302. And I said, oh, I'm gonna take everything out of the car. I took everything out of the back. Yeah. And laid it out. And I went out there and ran a 1290 in. That's great.
Whoa. Is it loud back there, Dad?
I don't know.
I said loud.
Oh, heck yeah. This thing sounds righteous. I mean, every catback exhaust I've heard on YouTube just sounded wimpy. I mean, it just, we'll hear it in a second. I'll show you the first boost by gear.
Oh!
That's scary. That's awesome.
Oh my gosh!
That's taking off too. It kind of like progressively got better as you get into different gears.
It just numbs your legs at that point. Or for me.
Trying to. You got like second gear, about 4,000. This is how long it takes from nothing.
Alright, so on my video here, I'm gonna do it on my phone too so that I can remember this on my phone. Alright, here we go.
So this is from like nothing, about 35.
Oh my gosh! Do you daily drive this or? Oh my gosh! When did you get it?
June of last year.
Okay.
My first oil change. I swapped the turbo and then went and got an oil change.
Do you do liquid moly?
No, I use Mobile 10.
Okay.
First gear is limited, but you'll see the full boost in a second.
Alright.
Like 40 brake boost.
Oh jeez. Whoa! That's awesome. That is awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah, okay, thank you.